Hey guys, I just wanted to do a quick little video showing how you can reboot this head unit without actually having to disconnect the battery cable. And I just rebooted this, so some of the numbers won't be accurate, but I'll show you. Okay, so what you can do here, we'll get into it. Let it boot up. Okay. Then you're going to go to settings and then system and go down to about status. Okay, it says uptime a minute because I just rebooted it. But before that, it said uptime like 150 hours. So I haven't done the math on it. But if you guys are having issues with this, like as far as it's been glitchy or your Bluetooth keeps dropping, this could really fix it. Just like a home computer sometimes needs to be rebooted. Well, that's what these things are. Especially with, they get glitchy, they sit in the sun, they get really hot. Sometimes it just get a little crazy. So sometimes it's nice just to reboot them. So I'll show you how to do it. So here the uptime says a minute. It's just got to keep counting. So it has a minute. Like I said, I just redid it. So what you're going to do here, and there's a sequence. So you're going to have the car off. Okay, and then you're going to put your foot on the brake and then push start. And as soon as you push start, put it in reverse and then pop it to neutral. And the screen should be black for a second. And then how you know it works is when the screen comes up, the disclaimer, and it says OK, where you can override the disclaimer, the OK button should be grayed out, so it won't let you select it. That's showing you that it's rebooting. So let's see if I can get this on the first shot here, because it took me a couple tries the time before. But okay, it's just a fast sequence. So start it, reverse, neutral. I don't think that's going to work, but we'll see. Yeah, you see where it says OK? So that didn't work. So we'll try it again. It's a little sequence. Has to be quick. So on, then neutral. There you go. So, okay, now it came up. See how it was delayed there? So now I'll put it to park and I can turn the car off. Okay. Actually, it was already off, sorry. But, okay, just to go through. So it was really quick. It took me 3 tries there. And the engine actually didn't even catch that last time. So then you go to settings, system, about status. Now you see it says 45 seconds and it was like a minute and a half or whatever. Now it just rebooted. So that's a good way. I mean, I haven't got it on the first shot yet, but I mean, it took me, I think, 3 times. So there's a little like learning curve to it as far as how fast you have to go. Like this last time I just did it, I pulled it in reverse as it was cranking, and I pulled it in reverse, and then the engine died because it won't let you start it in reverse. And then I put it in neutral, but as you guys saw, it worked. So it has to be quick. As soon as you push the start button, it's starting to crank. Put it in reverse as fast as you can. And you'll notice if you're too fast on it, you won't even be able to depress this lever here to push it in reverse. So you just, as soon as it's starting to crank, just keep trying. And then once it goes into reverse, and the screen should like go black really quick, then pop it to neutral. And you have your foot on the brake the whole time. And like I said, I didn't get it the first try. That was the 3rd try right there. And the time before that, it took me about 3 tries. So, you'll get the hang of it. It's just a really quick motion. But it's an easy way to do it if you're having issues with the head unit here, just to go ahead and reset it. So again, it's system, about, and status. And see, now it'll keep counting too. So hope that helped you guys. If you guys are having issues like connectivity issues, if your phone keeps unpairing, or sometimes I've seen it, not this car, but I've seen other cars where you'll push a little icon and it'll freeze for a second. A lot of that can be fixed by just rebooting your system. Doesn't necessarily mean you have to take it to the dealer, and you know, that's usually what they do. They'll reboot it and see if the system, like the problem persists, you know, and sometimes it needs something more than that. But to avoid the dealer, it's a good way to give it a shot if you guys are having issues. Just give it a try. Once you get it, the most frustrating thing when I learned about it was getting that sequence, because I tried it the very first time. I mean, it took me, I would say, like 3 or 4 times, and I'm like, this isn't going to work. But it does. You just have to be quick with it. Like as you saw that last one, the engine died because I pulled it in reverse, but that worked. So maybe as soon as you push the button, put it in reverse, or try before it's, don't let the engine fully catch. Then it's probably too late. So hope that helps you guys. If you guys are having issues, maybe that'll solve your issues with connectivity and your display here. Thanks guys again. Hope everything is going good for you guys. Have a great day.